स्थिराविरस्तु भूवादिरस्तु धनधान्य समृद्धिरस्तु ऐश्वर्यमस्तु वनमस्तु विमुक्तयोस्तु वंशेतैव भवनास्तु मन्त्रार्थास्पदासन्तु सन्तुर्णामोऽर्थाः शत्रूणां विनाशोऽस्तु मित्राणां हृदयस्तव तन्तश्च कवीरो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विलोकिनाशो विनायकः धूम्रकेतु विग्रहाध्यक्षो भावजन् लोकजानतः द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि सर्व कार्यात् सिद्धयेत पुष्पनिष्ठित शांति पाठ के मंत्र का नमस्कार कीजिए। श्री गुरुदेवताभ्यो नमः। हमारा जो गाँव की उनको याद करके नमस्कार कीजिए। श्री ग्राम देवताभ्यो नमः। स्थान के अधिष्ठाता धर्मपुत्री को नमस्कार कीजिए। श्री स्थान देवताभ्यो नमः। ब्रह्मा और माता सरस्वती को प्राप्ति फलतः तथा छात्राणां अस्माकं च सर्वेषां आन्तरिक ओम चंद्रमा मनसो जातश्चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत श्रोत्राद्वाश्च प्राणस्य मुखादग्निरजायत ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः कर्मसाक्षिणे निमस्तदेवताभ्यो नमः। सकलोपचारार्थे गन्धं पुष्पं समर्पयामि। अनेन स्मरणार्चनेन सिद्धिबुद्धिः महागणपति प्रियतां नमः। सरस्वती अस्मिन् परिसरे वसतां कार्यक्रमं सर्वेषां स्थापयामि। आवाहनान्ते प्रतिष्ठा ओम सुखारधीरसभा देवजन्मनुख्यान्ने नीयते वेषु विभाजिन इव तत्प्रतिष्ठं जलजिरञ्जविष्ठं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पवस्तु। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः क्लीं महावीर्यधिष्ठात्रे वो सरस्वती सुप्रतिष्ठिता वरदा भव।
पंजाब से सर ये हमारे एलुमनाई है। डॉक्टर एनडी सर प्रेसिडेंट है।
बस काफी है सर। हाँ जी
कुछ एलुमनाई तो यहाँ काम भी कर रहे होंगे ना इस कॉलेज के होंगे अभी है ना।
अच्छा
फैकल्टी मेंबर्स
सर हमको ये करने को बाद
आप बड़ा रिक्वेस्ट किए ना, मतलब कॉलेज के लोग एक्टिव लोग जो एडमिशन लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे बेटर रहेगा।
ओके
तो आपको मतलब आप इस कॉलेज के बारे में इन टर्म्स ऑफ टीचिंग रिसर्च आपका क्या अनुभव है? योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग एंड रिसर्च।
Madam, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Study and Research के director हैं और as coordinator of team Dr. P. Sharma आए हैं जो controller of examination of पंजाब के आयुर्वेद यूनिवर्सिटी के, और मेंबर तरीके से हमारे बीच है डॉक्टर प्रीति देसाई जो डीन है वर्धा के आयुर्वेदिक यूनिवर्सिटी के, और डॉक्टर अनिता शर्मा जो प्रोफेसर है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा जयपुर। तो आप सबसे वो इंटरेक्शन करना चाहते हैं।
कहाँ से और आप तो पीछे पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ के निकल गए अभी अच्छाइयाँ तो हमने कल से सुन रहे हैं। आप कुछ ऐसा बताइए जिससे इसको और ये आगे इम्प्रूव करें, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा करता है ये कॉलेज।
आप नाम सुन लीजिए, हैदराबाद में हैं, इंडिया में 7 हैं, ठीक है ना। तो ये बहुत वी आर रियली प्राउड टू हैव हर विद अस, शी इज डायरेक्टर नाइपर हैदराबाद।
मैडम इससे पहले DRDO में काम किए थे for many years, and as a coordinator we have Dr. Ish Sharma. Sir is controller of examination at
गुरु रविदास यूनिवर्सिटी हुशियारपुर
पंजाब से थे। और मेरे साथ है डॉक्टर प्रीति देसाई मैडम जो डीन है
इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस
वर्धा से थे, और डॉक्टर अनीता शर्मा जो प्रोफेसर है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा जयपुर।
उसको बंद कर लीजिए ना, एक ले लीजिए, एक शॉट फिर बंद कर लीजिए।
फर्स्ट ईयर से सारे
पीछे मैडम बिल्कुल कबड्डी खो मत करते हैं यहाँ पे।
और हमारे पास बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, हमारे पास पढ़ते हैं व्हाट इज द टाइमिंग ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन उसके बाद
और एक स्पोर्ट्स कोच भी है जो एवरी फ्राइडे कोचिंग देता है।
अभी तक तो मैडम हमने अवेलेबल किया है, बट
सीताराम बिल्कुल ले जाओ
हाँ ये 3 महीने
ये वहीं से
ऊपर सेमिनार होगा लेगा।
सेमिनार हाल में जलपा आभारी
ओके, ये अवार्ड से तो मैडम को मिला है पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स और फाइल्स पूरा और ये पब्लिकेशन से वो ऊपर मीटिंग के लिए लेके गए।
अच्छा, वहाँ तो नहीं हम जाएंगे ना, वहाँ जाएंगे।
हाँ, प्रेजेंटेशन
तो अभी एक बार तो यहाँ मंगवा लेते हैं, 5 कितने 5 रजिस्टर होंगे आपके ना, तो वो एक बार मीटिंग रजिस्टर से मंगवा लीजिए।
ट्रिपल का भी ट्रिपल हुआ है, उसका भी एनालिटिकल एक्सटर्नल ऑडिट हुआ होगा ना कि
एक्सटर्नल
उसका भी रिपोर्ट
ट्रिपल का प्रिंट आउट चाहिए।
कोई गया फाइल लेना?
हाँ वो गए।
क्राइटेरिया वाइज फाइल।
हाँ जी हाँ
हाँ
जी।
क्राइटेरिया वाइज फाइल दिखा दीजिए, सवाल है ना। सारी चीजें
अपलोड किया है।
अच्छा पूरे सिलेबस
तो थोड़ा सा हम लोगों को टाइम लगने वाला है। आराम से सर आप भी बैठिए, हम भी बैठते हैं कहीं पे, है ना? तो एक चेयर 3 और दिन क्राइटेरिया 3।
हाँ
Meetings with minutes and attendance. Feedback committee decides on like this.
तो एक काम करो नहीं ऐसे तो आईपीएस वाला बोल दो। हाँ ऐसे इंजीनियरिंग वाले कोई नहीं ना
17
दो लोग एक्स्ट्रा साल लोग बरोबर
17
2017 February. Yearly 6 monthly meeting करते हैं, like yearly 2 meeting करते हैं। 19 में हमने SSR अपलोड कर रहे थे, इसलिए हमने 3 मीटिंग किया फॉर रिव्यू।
before
SSR अपलोड के बीच ट्रिपल ए का रिपोर्ट है, एक्सटर्नल
बैठिए बैठिए आराम से बैठ जाओ।
एग्जामिनेशन रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ जी और इट्रा के डीन और छोटा लिया करके गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी, सौराष्ट्र यूनिवर्सिटी, राजकोट, 3 लोगों को रिकमेंडेशन के हिसाब से हम चेंजेस किए। Activity reports.
ईयर वाइज फोल्डर में डाले हैं।
मंथली एक्टिविटी रिपोर्ट है, एवरी मंथ की एक्टिविटी। Since induction like this. मंथली कॉलेज काउंसिल मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट भी करता हूँ।
डेट्स तो क्या है 6 और फिर 5 है
ये दिसंबर 2019 का। इसके अंदर पूरा कुछ साल का है, 1 साल।
हाँ मैं वही देख रही हूँ। ठीक है
हर साल के लिए अलग अलग फोल्डर बनाया है।
नहीं तो ज़्यादा पेपर प्लास्टिक 21 का 1 जनवरी का। इंस्टीट्यूशन का विजुअलाइजेशन, शॉर्ट एनालिसिस, वो ऑथेंटिकेटेड कॉपीज हैं।
इसमें सिग्नेचर नहीं होती थी, कई जगह जैसे सिग्नेचर की जरूरत नहीं होती है ना,
किसमें
वहाँ पे ये नहीं होते जैसे प्रिंसिपल के साइन वगैरह है।
किसमें रिपोर्ट्स में 4 सब्जेक्ट है।
5 है ना?
5 पीजी है और पीजी का 6 सब्जेक्ट 6 कोर्सेस।
5 का 6 कैसे?
5 हर प्रोग्राम का पीजी के रचना शायद उनके 6 कोर्सेस हैं। फर्स्ट ईयर के 2 एसएफ मेथोडोलॉजी और बेसिक्स ऑफ रचना और 4 पेपर ऑफ सेकंड पेपर। कमिटीज अंडर IPS उनके कमिटी लेटर्स टोटल 34 कमिटीज भी हैं अंडर IPS।
इसमें कौन है विशिका कमेटी में?
Vishaka committee, it is the
Swati.
yes, Swati Developer and internal complaint for women.
हाँ टीचर
हेलो।
भैया IQS में
हाँ दो।
और एक टैबलेट
नहीं मैं फिल्टर कर
हाँ कैमरा
लड़िया
हाँ अरे मैं लेके आता हूँ। हेलो अंकित सर
संजय लड़िया हाँ ठीक। अच्छा 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 हाँ है? हाँ या मैं आऊँगी तब बात कर लेंगे। अच्छा तो किसी को दिखा लेंगे क्या प्रॉब्लम? अच्छा 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 तो पंचकर्म या सर्जरी में किसी ने दिखा लेंगे पंचकर्म में हाँ ठीक है। हाँ अभी हाँ मुझे पता नहीं आज कौन ओपीडी में बैठेगा लेकिन फिर भी मैं देखती हूँ आज क्या हो गया आज मंगलवार है क्या? हाँ ठीक है मैं देखती हूँ जो बैठे होंगे वो हाँ ठीक है ठीक हाँ
आप आराम से बैठिए, हम लोग इसे आधा घंटा लेंगे, ठीक है ना?
हाँ
तो
हम देख लेंगे अब वर्कशॉप में बस ये है ना
हाँ,
checklist।
आप ऐसे
आप
कीजिए,
हाँ
आप
आप
इधर वेट कर लीजिए,
इधर
आराम से यहाँ बैठ जाइए।
हाँ हम
तो
देख मैं तो कह रही हूँ बाहर ही।
Respected member coordinator Dr. Sharma sir, Dr. Amita Sharma sir, Vice Chancellor Gupta sir, and all the dignitaries who are here. I am here myself, Dr. Sitaram Chandaya, coordinator IQAC India. I am here to present the active brief about the IQAC of our college. So overview, the year of establishment of IQAC, details of the chairperson and coordinators, IQAC team, unique functions of the IQAC, IQAC meeting and minutes, quality improvement programs, action taken report, student result, committees, units and their activities, major activities of the college, which is there in this presentation. So year of establishment of the institution, the institution is established in the year of 1938 and in the 2017 we have established the IQAC and the institution is affiliated college to the Gujarat Ayurveda University and it is recognized under CCIM and with the AC code and details. So we are in the first cycle and we have submitted our IQA on 17th of December 19 and SSL submission first level at 9th of February 20 and and DVB clarification we got on 6th March 20, and our SSR approval was on 6/6/2020. So the vision of our institution is to become a dynamic leading institute of Ayurveda and become a center of excellence in 3 fields, particularly education, research and healthcare. So to reach this vision, we have some missions like to transform young talent into skilled Ayurveda practitioner by providing high quality education, to strive in applying advanced teaching methods and research technique to meet domestic global needs and challenges, to create healthy community by proliferating Ayurveda system of medicine. So to reach that vision and mission, we have following strategy by the IQAC. They are like, so we have established an active IQAC cell for planning and monitoring and implementing quality initiative activities, capacity building activities for the faculty and student, monitoring student progress and support facilities for various committees and units to smooth functioning of the institution, intensive quality initiative programs to maintain the quality of the institution, mentoring mechanism to enhance the capability of the students, strong feedback mechanism to improve ourselves, innovation and incubation, and accurate documentation and development of the research culture among the students and faculty. So the institution has IQAC, and the following are the chairpersons and coordinators in 16-17. Presently, the chairperson is Professor Dr. Kalapi Patil sir, and coordinator Dr. Sitaram. So this is the current IQAC committee having 17 members, which include the different persons from various category. So like the category which were chosen, like there is a chairperson and a coordinator from the institution. There is one management representative, senior teaching staff female 3, senior teaching staff male 2, educationalist representative 3, administration office representative 1, industrialist 1, and representative from local public there is 1 person, and student representative 1 male and 1 female, and 1 alumni representative. So the teachers which who included in the committee include Professor Dr. Gupta sir, Professor Dr. Ganga Harimani madam, Professor Dr. Vidhi Bhavna madam, Dr. Swati Vedekar madam. From management we have Mr. Chetan Shah. From educationalist we have 3 eminent educationalists of Nadia and Anand, which include Dr. B.N. Suhagia sir from Dean DD Pharmacy College Nadia, Dr. V.M. Vanar, educationalist, Principal Anand Commerce College, Dr. Manoj Patel, Principal Anand Arts College, Shri Mudita Vadananda Swamiji, Anand Ashram Nadia, as a member from local community, Janamejay Patel, CEO Pitlad Mahal Arogya Mandal Piplata, as an industrialist. We have alumni representative Dr. Jalpa Joshi. From office we have Ms. Pankaj Bhatt, and student Ms. Shivani Shah 4th year, and Mr. Himanshu Parmat from 4th year. So this is the overall committee composition as per the NAAC guideline. Now duties of the IQAC. So IQAC has following duty. It forms the academic calendar. It conducts periodic meeting. It does the constitution of various committees. It creates quality improvement programs. It facilitates the process of the documentation. It does feedback analysis. It provides or extends the support to organize various activities in the institution like NSS and all. It prepares SSR and submit to the NAAC and other accreditation bodies. Orientation program it conducts. It provides student support and progress services. It does facilitating the process of infrastructure development. and arranges PTM. So these are the duties of the IQAC. So we have we conduct yearly, twice we conduct meeting. So these are the dates which we have conducted the meeting in the past 4 years. So IQAC conduct few quality enhancement program like training on NAAC accreditation, how to do the documentation and all. Then training on documentation, training on ICT tool utilization, training on quality enhancement in teaching and learning. So these are the dates on which we have conducted the various quality enhancement program for students and faculty. So these are the few photos of the program. So to improve the quality of the faculty, few of the faculty attended the NAAC orientation program which was organized by the NAAC at 4 different institutions. So these are few photographs of the program. Now committees, there are for total 34 committees which work under the IQAC for quality improvement of the institution. So these are the names of the committees, chairperson and member coordinator or secretary of the committee. And in few of the committee we have student representative like IQAC committee, student union, Vishaka committee or internal complaints committee, library committee and NSS unit. These are the few units and committees which have student representation. So these are the committees and the meeting held in the 2020. Now student progression, this graphical image shows the progression in pass percentage of the student in last 5-6 years. So there is a increasing per pass percentage in every year. So NSS unit of the institution, so it is a very active unit in our institution which conduct various outreach programs for the public and student actively involved in all these outreach programs. So these are the number of the programs which were conducted under the NSS unit. Now major activities which done by the IQAC. So clinical skill lab development, library digitalization, green initiatives like solar panel, water recharge, green audit, plantation awareness program, signage boards, Vishaka committee program like gender equality, self-defense training, Women's Day celebration, monitoring remedial classes, online feedback system, LMS implementation, webinar series which we did in the corona period, quick grievance addressal, standardization of the documentation, ICT training, FTP, staff training, welfare initiatives and PTM. So these are the few activities which are done by the IQAC. Now we have a list of eminent personality who visited our institution. So these are few photographs which include Gulab Nabi Azhar sir, Jairam Ramesh sir, Shri O.P. Gobli sir, Acharya Devaruth ji, Rajesh Koteja sir, Ajit Mohan Sharan sir, Pramod Kumar Patak sir, Jayanti Ravi madam, so Vanita Murali Kumar sir, madam, Jayan Dev Pujari sir, Sanjeev Oja sir, Anup Thakur sir, S.K. Dhiman sir, Sanjeev Sharma sir. So these are the few eminent personality who visited our institution. So future plan of the IQAC. So to enhance laboratory facilities with advanced instruments, equipments and technological tools for teaching and research purpose, organization of more seminars, workshops on use of ICT in quality teaching learning, to upgrade to smart classrooms, to organize placement fest to promote student placement, to strengthen the liaison among the stakeholders like student, teacher, parent, employees, etc. To enhance the collaborative activities, to strengthen the research, to strengthen the library by augmenting infrastructure. So these are the few future plans of the IQAC. Thank you.
जो बाहर से हैं उनका तो अपना जो कमेटी है तो उसका क्या है आपका, तो वो आप बताइए।
I have to say.
यस मैडम।
और कौन है पहले ये बता दें कि बाहर से
हाँ वो क्योंकि ये लोग सब इनसाइड के हैं तो वो
जो आने वाले बाहर से उनको भी
she is asking to you madam to speak about our ethics committee.
Okay. This ethics committee was started in 2011. So at that time the chairman was Dr. Valendra Vaishnav from, he is a physician, professor and head of Pramukh Swami Medical College. Because chairman has to be an outside member of ethics committee. So initially he was there, but because of his time constraint and all, so later on it was decided that this committee is chaired by me, myself. So I think from 2013 onwards, 2013 onwards, I am chairing this IEC. As chairperson as well as pharmacologist, because pharmacologist is also one of the requirement of IEC. So henceforth the committee is going on. We tried to get it registered, but when they approached DCGI, they asked for to contact Ayush, but Ayush has got no in that way, so it is still means round and round manner, because and I think they have also contacted the Ayurvedic Medical College because they have streamlined and they have got the guidelines. So that is not a big problem. But for complementary and alternative medicine like Ayurvedic and all, I don't think that they have still streamlined the registration process. So we are still waiting for the proper guideline as well as how to register their guidance.
You can have your committee as per the ICMR committee norms. That's all.
No, that's what we are following.
Go ahead with that.
We want to go for the extraordinary.
Yeah, no,
Because
because this keeps on changing.
Madam,
We
Yes.
keep on replacing the members.
Yes.
So we cannot fix it registered per se because then changing the member will be very difficult.
madam, thank you. आपको हमारी टीम को नहीं मिलेगी।
तो हमारा यहाँ तो 12 बजे तक का काम हो गया और हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट है ये
आपका
इंटरेक्शन आप लोगों के साथ
हो गया।
वो तो चल ही रहा है हमारा तो कंटिन्यूस चल ही रहा है तो हम अभी तक तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं बस आप बैठिए आराम से है ना
बाकी नॉन क्लिनिकल वाली यहाँ पे यूजी
और आप रोल कॉल काउंटिंग कब करते हैं बच्चों के तरह जो वापस आ जाए?
7 बजे रोल कॉल करना यदि कोई लड़की बाहर और है तो उसको फोन करते हैं, वो फोन ले लेते हैं, झंझट नहीं, वो 7-10 मिनट में आ जाते हैं।
और कोई नहीं आता, मान लो 7:30 बजे तक आदमी
नहीं होता है ऐसा।
नहीं, फिर क्या
ऐसा
करें?
नहीं हुआ कभी।
उसके वालिद से पेरेंट्स को फोन करते हैं।
पहले इनको करना है,
हाँ,
उसके बाद पेरेंट्स को करना है, ठीक है? ठीक है ना? ताकि एक
proper
बार आप भी अपने लेवल पे,
सर अगर हमारा कोई प्रोग्राम है जैसे कल है तो हम
वो
इनको
तो अलग बात है,
inform
बता
कर
देंगे अभी ये 15 बच्चे लेट
हाँ,
आएंगे।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बताते हैं।
हाँ,
लेकिन फिर भी थ्रू प्रॉपर चैनल पहले
क्योंकि
teacher
बड़ा
को पता
सेंसिटिव
होता
मामला
है।
होता है
हाँ
ना।
हाँ
तो
सर बहुत हौसल का तो गर्ल्स का तो खास कर।
जी।
ठीक है जी, ध्यान रखिए इनका, है ना? चलिए,
स्ट्रॉन्ग है नहीं है
I am going to invite you in the evening.
we are like before time with you.
That's good.
You are doing such a wonderful social service. We are very happy to see your setup.
So this is our
Yeah, that's what she told.
Yeah.
Yes. Wonderful. मैं पंजाब से आया हूँ, होशियारपुर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, वहाँ एक पंजाब सरकार की यूनिवर्सिटी में हूँ।
जयपुर
अच्छा,
स्ट्रॉन्ग है नहीं है
आप लोग के जैसा है ना मतलब। हमारा काफी अच्छा है।
नहीं, वो बहुत उनके जैसा ऑनेस्ट आदमी होना मुश्किल है।
वो आइस का सिक्कर बोल रहे हो।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं।
बहुत मतलब
well wisher.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
हमारे यहाँ पहले पढ़ने भी आते थे।
हाँ जी। चलिए सर, कीजिए आप। सर, कितने कमरे हैं मैम?
सर इसमें 15 ईयर से कुछ है वो एग्जैक्टली वही है कौन
टोटल रूम्स कितने ना? हाँ ऑर्डर हो गए।
हाँ वो है एक्चुअली तो वो नहीं है 14 नंबर
दोनों नंबर नहीं लग रहा है उनका।
हाँ नहीं लग रहा है उसका नंबर नहीं है अभी लगा ना
ये लॉक वाली अपनी ये क्या इधर? तो इधर आप कुछ खाना वगैरह बनाते हो? अच्छा, ऐसा कुछ आपको खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? मेस में? हर कमरे में 3 बच्चे और ऐसे ही बात होती है सब है। कितने कमरे हैं इसमें? 20 टोटल? 24
something हो
सब भरे हुए हैं, कुछ खाली भी होते हैं?
नहीं हाँ वो फर्स्ट वाला खाली
खाली है।
खाली होता है।
ओके।
यहाँ तो मैडम गुजरात कुछ एजुकेशन के ऑनलाइन में बहुत अच्छा है अभी तो सब बच्चे 2 साल तक बॉडी से नहीं करते नहीं आता है
ये सर मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, नौकरी में कुछ चीजें आइए आप किसी तरह से होते हैं।
जो गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं उनको एक उंगली वाला डॉक्टर कहा जाता है।
I request our principal sir, Dr. Professor Kalapi Patel sir, to give welcome address.
Respected dignitaries, Dr. Shashibala Singh Madam, Dr. P. Sharma ji, Dr. Preeti Desai Madam, and Dr. Anita Sharma Madam, our Chairman of Mahmudar Medical Society, Sri Bhaskar Bhai Desai sir, और मैनेजमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव श्री शरण भाई देसाई सर, प्रोफेसर S.N. Gupta sir, Professor Pradeep Vaishnav sir, all our senior and junior faculty members and office staff. Dear friends, it was our dream to reach here, and we have done very hard work since last few years, about 3-4 years, and also our management has wholeheartedly supported us to achieve all these facilities which are required for the goods grade of the NEC. And this is the final date that we got the visitation from the NEC, and peer team has reviewed our all efforts during last few years, and we hope that we will get the best grade in NEC. And for this exit meeting, I welcome all the members of peer team and our management as well as our all faculties. And now we will get some words from our chairperson of the peer team. Thank you all.
Now I request our chairperson of NAC peer team, Professor Dr. Shishivalasan Madam, to give brief review of the PTA visit.
Namaskar. Namaskar and good evening, respected Chairman Sir, SIG, Principal, Dr. Gupta, Registrar, Dean, all the faculty members who have worked day and night, I'm sure, for many years. And then it has all precipitated down for 2 days activities. And all the staff who is here today with us, I feel delighted to be part of this NAC team. And to be very frank, I was just telling my colleagues, now we know quite a lot about your college than many of the people who may not be known in Nadia. So my observations along with my team members, I speak on behalf of my team members also. I think this is one of the best healthcare system which we have witnessed in Ayurveda. Your approach to the patient, right from the once he enters the gate and comes to your OPD, till his treatment and his exit, all the documentations, the satisfaction of the patient is remarkable. And the way while going to the hospital, talking to some of the patients, many of them, rather most of them were very satisfied the way you are treating them. You know, for patient, what is more important? The psychological well-being. You know, the way you talk, the way you say things, rather than just giving medicine. Placebo effects also work, but the way you talk to them, the way you share your thought process with them is very, very important. And believe it, it was a learning experience for me, because though I have been, by training I am a physiologist, I did my PG and PhD from AIIMS Delhi, but this was the first exposure to Ayurveda. I've seen like your SOPs about the healthcare systems are very strong. Your testing facilities and also the way you take care of patient, right from the medication, also the nutrition. The type of nutrition depending on the disease which you are giving to the patient, I think it's a holistic treatment of a patient. So it's really great. I am also, now we four of us are your ambassador, you know. कोई भी मरीज होगा उसको आपके यहाँ रेफर करेंगे तो ख्याल रखिएगा। तो ये सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट जो मुझे लगा और सबको महसूस हुआ। And other things are your teaching curriculum, your faculty dedicated, committed, and competitive faculty which you have is remarkable. It's really good. Then the students, we were talking to the students in the morning. They were all very positive. They were all very satisfied with the kind of ambience you provide to them in terms of nurturing their professional career, also their personal life. They were very satisfied, and they were really, forthcoming in giving us some suggestions which were really good. And about the staff, I think again, this is the backbone of any institute. Without staff, even doctors are there, patients are there, nothing will work. So there you have a very dedicated staff. It's remarkable. But all this depends on the leadership. You have an excellent leadership here. And what I could see the connect between the top management, top leadership, the faculty, the staff and the student. And one thing which I could see, you don't work in silos. Well, this is the main problem with most of the organizations. So if wherever there is a good leadership, visionary leadership, things will work. And wherever the institute fails, it is because of the leadership crisis. So this is a very positive, and I'm sure under his visionary leadership, you will be able to progress more and more. And these are some of the positive points. Only thing which I want to tell the faculty member, you are young, dynamic, and you have a long way to go. See, you are just 30, 35 years or 40 years. You will be here for another 30 years, 35 years, 25 years, right? So besides teaching, focus on research. This, you do not know you are sitting on a gold mine here, I am telling you. You have data from a human patient, which is very rare, which we also sometimes feel we should be having it, but as being director of NIPER, I know we don't have access. This is the best thing which can happen to this place. Please, for God's sake, my request and appeal, please see that all of you get into the research mode, and with Guptaji's, Professor Guptaji's blessing and guidance, I am sure you can all do it.
We promise that.
So with this, I think, and I would like to see this Sir College on the international map, not only national map, which is already there. Next time when you visit, not for other reasons, maybe just to see all of you, I would like to see that some of you, all of you should be PhD, all the faculty members should be PhD, which is very mandatory and important. And other thing is that you will set some targets for all of them. Let each faculty member produce one paper 1 year in a peer-reviewed journal, and on that basis you assess them and promote them. That will generate a healthy competition. So I think I will not say much, because I know at the end of the day you must already want to go home. It was a learning experience for me, and really great to see all of you, and really excellent hospitality which has been there for all of us, right from right from the airport of Ahmedabad to Nadiad and back to airport Ahmedabad. So thank you so much, and I'm sure I will also follow this college more closely since I have come here, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful words and encouraging words. Now I request the PT member and chairman to hand over the report, the PT report to principal. Thank you, madam. So now we come to the end of the 2 days rigorous visitation schedule. I am here to deliver the vote of thanks. First of all, I would thank the Almighty for providing us the energy to actively assimilate all the data required for the NAC accreditation, and all the Almighty who provided energy to all my fellow colleagues to work on this activity and to reach the goal. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our chairperson of NACPA team, Dr. Shashibala Madam, who actively and with full energy roamed every corner of our institution to find the positive things in the college and noted everything. Thank you, Madam, for your energetic activity. Thank you. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the member coordinator, Dr. Ish Sharma sir, for his active participation in evaluation of our strengths and weaknesses of the institution. Thank you, sir, for your effort. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our member of NACPA team, Dr. Preeti Desai Madam, for visiting our institution and peer reviewing our activities. Thank you, Madam. I would extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Anita Sharma Madam for being a part of NACPA team and critically analyze all the activities of our institution. Thank you, Madam. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our chairman, Shri Bhaskar Bhai Desai sir, for providing all the support to our every activity and extending his blessing and support to our each and every activity. Thank you, sir. I would extend my sincere thanks to Professor S.N. Gupta sir, Professor Pradeep Vaishnav sir, our principal Kala Patel sir, and Dave sir, Haridra Dave sir, and all my fellow colleagues for actively participating in this 5-year mission to get NAC. Thank you all. If I would not remember my office staff, it will be a big mistake from my side, because without their support, it will be never possible to get the NAC. Thank you. I would extend my sincere thanks to our IT committee, Chinmay Bhai or Pankaj Bhai, for extending their support to collect all this data in the e-form. Thank you. I would extend my sincere thanks to the cameraman, the caterer. Because of their food, we are energetic. Thank you. Thank you all.
With permission of our chairman, tomorrow will be the off for all of you. Hospital duty will be continued. Of course.
Naturally.
And
They will get another thing.
yes, they will get the compensatory leave, and the persons who are attached with the examination, university examination, will also be come tomorrow.